Imagine if every person in your organization was like a digital bodyguard, spotting suspicious links, questioning strange requests, and stopping threats before they ever reach your systems. Now, imagine the opposite. One person clicks the wrong link, reuses a password, or ignores a warning. That single moment could open the door for an attacker. Technology can defend your network, but people defend your future. Let's get started. Happy Halloween and hello and welcome to another Cybersecurity 101. I'm Mark Hemingway, Creative Content Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. In our last episode, we talked about the threat from within, insider risks, and how simple mistakes can lead to big problems. Today, we're taking that idea one step further, turning every employee into part of your defense. It's called the Human Firewall, and it's one of the most powerful cybersecurity tools you can have. A human firewall is the human layer of defense. Your people, trained and aware, who can spot and stop cyber threats before they spread. It's built on awareness, habit, and teamwork. But no matter how advanced your technology is, one bad click can still bring it all down. Your people are the first, and often the last, line of defense. Cyber criminals know firewalls and antivirus software can be strong, but humans, they're emotional, busy, and trusting. Phishing emails, fake login pages, urgent CEO requests, these don't trick computers, they trick people. That's why building a strong human firewall is about training minds, not just securing machines. Here are a few micro habits that make a big difference. Pause before you click. If something feels off, an odd tone or strange link, double check it. Report suspicious messages. Don't ignore them. One report can protect everyone. Use strong, unique passwords. Every reused password is a chain waiting to be broken. Enable MFA everywhere. It's your digital seatbelt, one small step that saves you from big trouble. Stay cautious. Awareness training isn't a checkbox. It's how you sharpen your instincts. Being a human firewall isn't just an IT thing. It's a company-wide mindset. Leaders model the behavior, teams talk openly about security, and everyone treats it as part of the job. Because when vigilant becomes habit, it stops being effort. It becomes culture. Technology protects systems. People protect everything else. When every employee takes security personally, your organization becomes stronger, safer, and more resilient. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you think can benefit from knowing more about this topic. And don't forget to follow us on our socials, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or X. Stay safe out there. Happy final end of Cybersecurity Month. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
You can catch new episodes every Thursday. Follow us on YouTube at ArcherU. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified when a new episode has been released. Is there a question or a topic you'd like Mark to address on an upcoming episode of Cybersecurity 101? Leave them in the comments below and check back in every Thursday for a brand new episode.